Here we are, first snowstorm at our new house. We moved in April. We didn't have any snow in April. And it's December 14th, day after Tehya's 4th birthday. And we got about probably 8 inches. That's where my car was parked. I just moved it. I can't believe the plow guy came when I was sleeping. I was watching for him, and I only slept 2 hours at a time all night. He came somewhere around between 4:30 a.m. and 6 o'clock, I'd say. Because that was the only time that I really would have missed him. Because before that I was checking. But anyway, he'll be back. I shoveled this path out for the kitties. This one, she's a... Is your happy birthday present day late? Huh? Happy birthday day late? Is that what this is? You're just down there shoveling. She's looking for a peace sign. A rawhide peace sign. I think she lost it. Did you find it? Well, December 17th had another snowstorm. We're loving it. Can't drive up through there anymore. The garden's all nice and insulated. I didn't get any winter crops in. I didn't bother with any. But it's nice out today. It's about 10:30 in the morning. I keep my canoe brushed off, my kayak, and keep this shoveled out. I don't do that now when I'm down here. It's beautiful down here. Love it. Huh, you like it down here? Up here? Huh? You like it up here? You do? Yeah. She's a nut. Who's a nut? Who's nut? Huh? Who's a nut? Are you a nut? What are you looking for? Okay. Good girl. She held there till the camera rewound with her foot right up in here and everything. I said hold, she held. She's such a good girl, huh? She's such a good girl. Is she a good girl? Huh? Is she a good girl? Is she a good girl? Huh? Yeah? Oh, she is such a good girl. Yes, she's such a good girl.